Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another crochet hairstyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick summer crochet braid. So I already have my braid pattern done off camera, so now we're going to be going straight into the process. So this is the hair I'm going to be using for today's video. Okay, so since this is a summer crochet hairstyle, I don't need it to be super long, so I'm going to be cutting the hair in half. So I'm just checking how it will look once I cut it in half. So right now I'm just going in to cut the hair so that way I can go straight into the crochet process. So I'm going to be starting with the back of the braid pattern. So around the perimeter, I'm going to be using the knotless crochet braid method because I want to be able to put the hair into a high puff or a low bun depending on the mood for the day or for the week. Okay, so that's why I'm doing the knotless crochet braid all the way around. And also I'm using the double knot method to secure the hair in place. So half of the back is almost done. Half of the perimeter is almost done. So right now I'm going ahead to work on the other half. Again, I'm using the double knot method for the crochet braid. Okay, so I'm done with the perimeter of the crochet braid. So next I'm going in with a ratchet comb to back comb the hair. So when I brush it and also put the hair into a bun, it will look as if the hair is coming out of my scalp, as you can see right here. So I'm doing this now before going ahead to crochet the rest of the hair, so that way I won't have to worry about it once I'm done crocheting the hair down. So I'm just getting this out of the way, getting it done, and getting it out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the last row. So this is the side part right here, and also I'm using the knotless crochet braid method, also using the double knot crochet. So moving on to the very front of the hair to achieve that natural look, I'm going to be using this piece of hair right here. So I'm just going to start by crocheting the hair down. Not really crocheting it, I'm just passing it through the base of the braid. Just go like that, pull half of it through just like this. So now I'm going to be passing the crochet hook through the middle part of the braid, pushing it all the way back there to in order to grab the hair and pull it towards the front. So I started by working on one strand first before going ahead to pull the second strand towards the front. So again, I'm passing the crochet hook through the base of the braid all the way back to get the hair and pull it towards the front. So now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the side part. Again, I'm using the knotless crochet braid method for the side part. For the next step, I'm starting by brushing the hair through, make sure it's tangle free. So next, I'm going to be using the hair thinning scissors to help cut a little bit around the side part, front, back, side, just a little thinning cuts around it. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my hairbrush and brush out the hair strands that I cut. So right there, I'm going in with a brush to brush those strands out. So after brushing out the strands, I'm going to be using the same brush to brush down the hair. So the short strands, I'm pushing them towards the roots of the hair, as you can see right there. So next, I'm going to go in with a ratchet comb and push the hair towards the roots. So once I'm done, the hair will look as if it's coming out of the scalp. Almost done. I'm just going in with a brush to brush the hair. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at the wave. Look at the shape of it. I love, love, love this crochet braid. The length, the color is just perfect. Perfect. All right, guys, so this is the final result right here. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.